So this we need to take off. This is what we're going to put on the wall. So,
This thing's gonna be on the wall.
yeah, well, it actually goes right here, see? So that's going to go here. We need to move this plug, and the plug is we're going to put it up here, up in the top. And this is vented exterior. So we have a pipe that we're going to put in there. Eventually we're going to turn that white. We're going to cover it. So we have these little toggles, and because we only ran into one stud, so we're going to toggle, put a couple of toggles in several different locations. You know, let's get a 3/8 drill bit.
3/8.
Yeah, and do we have the angle grinder?
We do.
Okay, let's grab that too. Oh, this ain't making any sense at all. Oh. Yep, mark this side. Go ahead, drill that one. Whoa. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now pull back on the bracket and drill it. Oh, that's just going forward. That's it. Here's a hammer.
Always a hammer with the desk.
Push it in. There you go. Yep. Alright, so the bottom of the microwave is going to rest on these. What we need to do next, we got two holes we need to drill up here. And we need to find out exactly where those go. We have a little template to do that with. And obviously, so that would go up in there like so. We need to cut a 2-inch hole for cord. It says power cord right there. So we're going to need to make this hole a little bit larger so we can manipulate that wire. And then we're going to get a remodel box. We need to do that right now. We need to get a remodel box. We need to install it up in here. So the cord goes up in here.
And then we had like a little aftershock. I was like, dude, you go to the hospital? He's like, oh, fine,
Holy cow.
Yeah.
Well, no, the problem with that though is your heart will, you might feel fine, but then your heart can stop.
Yeah, he had another little aftershock. And his legs stiffened. And then he fell on the ground again.
Balls of fire.
All those kind of clamp on the
You notice how on a
10 inches. So we'll center. Right. So 30. 11 3/4. So we'll just go 5 back here, right?
well, 3 3/4 from that back line, and then mark a horizontal, and then that's our box. You notice on these, they're designed for a slight misalignment. You can screw the bolt in still like this. And ideally you want it like that, but if it's a little bit off, it'll still go in. Make sure I got the right size one. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to tip this bottom in and then tip this up. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, perfect. Feel it. That hole slightly misaligned, but we still got it. That's it. Now we're going to plug it in. And let me go turn the power back on.
So fan.
Fan works.